I am standing right in front of the Assemblies of God National Office in Springfield, Missouri. And why am I here? Because I'm about to go inside and have a great conversation with the director of the Chaplain Ministries, Manny Cordero. And we have amazing women that are serving in this capacity. So let's go check it out, okay? So guys, I am right in front of Brother Cordero's office, and I'm just about to go in there and see what he's up to. All right. Hello.
Yes, Saehee, good to see you.
How are you doing?
I am doing well. How about yourself?
Very well,
Good,
thank you.
good. How's your ministry with the police chaplaincy?
Oh, thank you for asking. I love police chaplaincy ministry. It makes me feel like I'm a pastor to the community, so I wouldn't do it any other way. So thank you for that opportunity. For those women out there that are listening to this conversation, they were like, what is this chaplaincy ministries about? And you're the man to talk about it. So why don't you tell us more about it?
Well, chaplaincy ministry is ministry outside of the local church context. Ministry of caring, ministry of providing for the needs, ministry of compassion. And that's what chaplaincy is, nurturing so that it would lead to conversations of spiritual significance and lead people to Christ. If you're not out there talking to them, taking care of them, how are they going to come and know the gospel? So we do want women. We want you. We need you. There is a place for you in chaplaincy ministries.
That's so right. There's a place for you in chaplaincy ministries, and I am loving it as police chaplain. If you want more information, stay tuned and we'll share more details about it. But just now, we're going to be hearing from 9 different female chaplains serving in various different contexts and making a tremendous difference in this world. So let's hear from them.
Greetings from Columbia, South Carolina. My name is Jacqueline Bonner, and I've been a hospice chaplain for 8 years. One of the things that I love most about my job is being able to journey with patients at end of life as they make meaning of that journey through the light of their faith. It's really a sacred time to bring hope, compassion, love, and peace when they may be feeling isolated and unsure. There's room for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Boone, Colorado. My name is Linda Schultz, and I've been a rodeo chaplain for 40 years. What I love about my role as a chaplain is being embedded with my people in the ranch and rodeo culture and having limitless possibilities to share Christ. Whether it's rodeo or ranch events, doing equine therapy, or with widow ministry, these doors are simply ways to go into all my world. There's a place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Annapolis, Maryland. My name is Holly Short, and I've been a Navy chaplain for 7 years. What I love most about my role as a Navy chaplain is getting to influence and love and care for people from all different walks of life. It is one of the biggest blessings to be able to be with someone at their lowest moment and get to rejoice with them in their best. There's a place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Miami, Florida. My name is Melissa Gutierrez, and I have been a specialized counseling chaplain for 2 years. What has helped me the most throughout my chaplaincy journey is having great spiritual mentors who have seen the potential in me, have modeled what it is to be a woman that loves God, how to relate to others, how to reach others. And I believe that you have an opportunity to be a role model for a new generation that is rising up and who wants to serve God. There's a special place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Hey! My name is Chaplain Emily Hauser, and I serve as U.S. missionary in Appalachia and as the president of the Smoky Mountain Dream Center. I don't think I ever prepared to be a correctional chaplain, but I do know that I've been called to be a correctional chaplain. That what has helped me most has been the chaplaincy department. They've pulled me in, loved me, resourced me, and given me a family. If you find yourself dreaming big dreams, just know that there is a place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Glendale, Arizona. My name is Jasmine Luck, and I've been a chaplain in the Air Force for a little over 1 year now. What prepared me most for Chaplaincy Ministries was the time that I spent on staff with Evangel Temple in Springfield, Missouri, and also the time that I spent in the Air Force Chaplain Candidate Program. Without those experiences, I definitely would not be where I am today. There's a place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Dallas, Texas. My name is Trish Porter, and I am a specialized chaplain in the area of orphan care and have been for the past 9 years. What I love about my role as a chaplain is I get to be a bridge between the church and the government regarding children in foster care. And over the past 9 years, we've seen over 900 children be placed in healing homes. There is a place for you in the Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Fort Hood, Texas. My name is Lisa Northway, and I have been a U.S. Army chaplain for nearly 16 years. I'm part of the U.S. Army Chaplaincy for 33 years. What prepared me most for the Chaplaincy Ministry, serving America's sons and daughters, was partnering with true servant leaders, both men and women in my Assemblies of God denomination, as well as those passionate and compassionate leaders outside of that framework. There's a place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Greetings from Pella, Iowa. My name is Shauna Beeman, and I have been a corporate chaplain for 5 years and have served in other areas of chaplaincy for a total of 18 years. And what I love about my role as a chaplain is ministering God's love to people who often are not connected to a church. There is a place for you in Chaplaincy Ministries.
Wow, it's amazing to see how these chaplains engage with their communities in so many creative ways. You know, God really needs every leader to be an influencer wherever He places us.
That's right, Beth. And it also helps us see the beauty of different shapes of a pulpit. Friends, there is a place for you in ministry. Pulpit ministry is not the only way to lead and serve. So if you've been searching for a place where you can thrive in a non-traditional ministry setting, I strongly encourage you to explore Chaplaincy Ministries.